Morning. Today we'll do final account series. Oh my God. We'll begin with final accounts. Final accounts is nothing but preparing a trading P&L account and a balance sheet. Trading P&L account and a balance sheet. Of course, you would have done many final accounts. What we have to learn or understand is, okay, how to provide for bad debts. That is one definite adjustment will be there. And definitely some adjustments with respect to prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses will be there that we have to learn. We'll learn through this question. We'll learn through this question. What will come in trading account? Only direct expenses, opening stock, purchases, carriage inwards, all your direct expenses like wages, fuel, power, factory expenses, those things will come in trading expenses. That is trading account. All the other indirect expenses will come in what? P&L account. Now, identify various items where this will come. Capital will come in what? Balance sheet. Then purchases trading account. Purchase returns will be adjusted in trading account. Sales in trading account. Sales returns adjusted in trading account. Freight inwards trading account. Carriage outwards P&L account. Rent of the godown, rent and taxes, discount allowed. All these things will come in which account? P&L account. Discount receipt also P&L account. It will be reduced from capital. Printing and stationery, insurance premium, electricity charges, general expenses, even bank charges, that will come in which account? P&L account. Bad debts, repairs to motor vehicle, interest on loan, all these things, provision for bad debts will come in P&L account. Loan from Rajan is a liability. Creditors is a liability. Motor vehicle will come as what? Asset. Land and building, furniture, all these things will come as what? Asset. Openings, there is closing stock is given. Sorry, this is opening stock. We are in 31st March 2018. Opening stock will come in trading account. Debtors, cash in bank, cash in hand will come as what? Asset. Read the adjustment and you must remember the adjustment. Depreciation is given on various assets. Closing stock value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 1 month for the rent for the godown is outstanding. We have to calculate. Interest is at the rate of 10% per annum. And when the loan also taken also given. Provision for bad debts you have to maintain at what? 5% of debtors கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Insurance premium includes some personal expenses. Proprietor's life insurance. Remaining insurance is paid up to June. From 1st April to 30th June கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We are closing accounts on 31st March. So how many months prepaid? 31st March close பண்றோம். Insurance is paid up to 30th June னு சொல்றோம். 3 months. But the period is not 12 months. 1/4/2017 to 36/2018 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Shall we? Start. You must give a proper title. Trading profit and loss account of what is the name of the person? RR and Associates for the year ending. For the year ending, which year ending?
March 2018.
This proper title you must give in the exam. March 2018. Start with trading account, then let us do P&L account. Trading account has no adjustment. What is opening stock? Trial balance la paranga. What is the opening stock?
3,20,000.
3,20,000. to purchases minus returns. Purchases எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்?
2 lakhs.
Less returns.
18,000.
12 lakh minus 18,000. How much you get? 11 lakh 82,000. Any other direct expenses that will come?
Right.
Freight inwards, how much?
62,000.
62,000. Any other expenses like wages, carriage inwards and the mari? No. By sales, what is the sales amount?
15,000.
Returns எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க?
24,000.
Closing stock 4,10,000. No other direct expenses, right? Gross profit balancing. See, in this question, that adjustment is not there. Let's assume in the adjustment, they have given, these are the possible adjustments. Goods taken by proprietor. They have given rupees 12,000. What will you do? For example, I am telling you, this is not given in this question. Suppose if it is given, what to do? Simple. Reduce from which one? Purchases and what? Add it to drawings. Okay. So if they have given goods taken for proprietor for personal use, okay, I do this. Suppose if they have given you goods given as samples. What will you do? Reduce from purchases and include in what? Advertisement expenses. Okay. Next one is most important. Goods lost by fire. And insurance claim 14,000. What will you do? First two are very simple adjustments. Goods taken by proprietor adjusted from purchases and of course included in what? Drawings. Goods given as samples we'll eliminate from purchases and include in which one? Advertisement expenses. Suppose if they've given you goods lost 25,000, insurance claims 14,000, என்ன பண்ணிடுவீங்க? இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் கொடுக்கல, சப்போஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்கான்னு வச்சுங்களேன். How will you treat this? Goods lost, what is the journal entry? Goods lost by fire, what is the journal entry? Simple, it will be taken as abnormal loss. Abnormal loss account data or to trading account. Abnormal loss account data to trading account, எவ்வளோ charge பண்ணுவீங்க? 25,000, you will record it. It will come like by abnormal loss. Abnormal loss and the 25,000 போடுவீங்க. By abnormal loss, you will record how much? 25,000. Just for sample or example, I am telling you this. Then there is an insurance claim of how much recovered? 14,000 recovered. Now record insurance claim. Insurance claim 14,000. Insurance claims that are 14,000. This will be shown as an asset. This will be shown as an asset. To abnormal loss. What is abnormal loss? 25,000 abnormal loss. But what is the net loss? Abnormal loss 25,000. அதில் 14,000 insurance claim பண்ணிட்டோம். No balance loss எவ்வளோ இருக்கும்? Balance loss will be charged in P&L account. Balance loss எவ்வளோ charge பண்ணுவீங்க? 11,000 you will charge it in P&L account. So first recognize the abnormal loss. Abnormal loss account data to trading account. Insurance claims account data. Insurance claims account data. Okay. Abnormal loss. This insurance claims will be shown as an asset. P&L account le you will charge to abnormal loss. அந்த மாதிரி to abnormal loss. Abnormal loss எவ்வளோ charge பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? 11,000 would have been charged. By abnormal loss, first recognize the abnormal loss in which account? Trading account. Subsequently, that abnormal loss will be recognized in which account? P&L account. இங்க by abnormal loss போடும்போது எவ்வளவு போட்டிருப்பீங்க? 25,000 போட்டிருப்பீங்க. To abnormal loss P&L accountல charge பண்ணும்போது net loss you would have charged. Net loss you would have charged. I repeat, if goods are lost, recognize the loss. Abnormal loss account data to trading account. Subsequently, that abnormal loss will be recognized in which account? P&L account after adjusting the insurance claims. After adjusting the insurance claims. So these are the three important adjustments that are possible in the exam. Then come to P&L account, charge all the other expenses. This one just in the problem include பண்ண வேணாம். I'm just giving you as an additional point for learning. Charge all the indirect expenses. Charge all the indirect expenses. Shall we? P&L account என்னென்ன expense வரும்? Carriage outwards will come. What is the carriage outwards? 8,500. அப்புறம் rent of the godown எவ்வளவு pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 55,000 pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க. They paid 55,000. Rent of the godown paid is 55,000. But they have given 1 month rent is outstanding. எப்படி 1 month rent outstanding போடுவீங்க? 55,000 is for 11 months. Now what is for 1 month? Okay. 55,000 is for 11 months. Now what is for 1 month? 1 month rent is outstanding சொல்றான் இல்லையா? So 55,000 is for 11 months now. What is for 1 month? 5,000. And then show how much. 60,000 print. Where in it?
Rates and taxes.
To rates and taxes. Rates and taxes, how much is given?
24.
24,000. Where in it?
Salaries.
Salaries,
72,000.
72,000. Then
Discount allowed.
discount allowed
7,500.
7,500 discount allowed. Discount allowed 7,500. அப்புறம் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கோம்?
Printing and stationery.
To printing and stationery. Printing and stationery, how much is given? 6,000 given. Printing and stationery 6,000 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Then what else is given?
Insurance fee.
To insurance premium, some adjustments are given for insurance premium. What is the insurance premium given in the trial balance?
40.
48,000 trial balance ல கொடுத்துருக்கலாம். அதுல proprietor insurance எவ்வளவுங்க? Proprietor insurance, we'll take it as a drawings, last adjustment part. Proprietor's insurance included 42,000 included. This includes proprietor's personal insurance 42,000. So minus 42,000. So balance எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 42, 48 minus 42 என்ன இருக்கு? 6,000. The 6,000 is paid for the period from what month, which month to which month? 1st April 2017 to 30th June 2018 கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாரு. This is paid from 1st April 2017 to 30th June 2018 வரைக்கும் pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Not paid for 12 months. It is paid for how many months? April 2017 இருந்து June 2018 வரைக்கும் 15 months. 15 months pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 6,000 is paid for 15 months now. What is for 3 months? 6,000 is paid for 15 months. Now what is for 3 months? It's prepaid. Eliminate panna. Net insurance we'll charge it in P&L. How much? 4,800. Insurance premium 4,800. Insurance 48,000 minus proprietor's insurance. Balance is for business. 6,000 is paid from April to June. 15 months na 3 months ke valo. Net amount we'll charge it in P&L account. Then what is the next one? What are the other expenses?
Electricity.
To electricity charges. What is electricity charges? 14,000 electricity charges. Aprom. General expenses 11,000. Then bank charges 3,800. Bank charges 3,800. Then bad debts. Bad debts how much? 12,000.
200.
Provision for bad debts அப்புறம் போட்டுக்கலாம். Then
Repairs to motor vehicle.
repairs. Repairs to motor vehicle how much? 13,000. அப்புறம்
Interest on loan.
see, look at interest on loan. They have given the data. என்ன data கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Loan was taken on 1/7/2017 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 1/7/2017 10%. அப்போ July to March interest on loan. Interest on loan. What is the loan taken? What is the loan taken? 60,000 இல்லையா? 60,000 into எவ்வளோ percentage? 10% for how many months? 9 months. How 9 months? July to March, 9 months. 4,500. Trial balance எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க?
4,000.
Which means balance is outstanding. Balance is what? Outstanding. depreciation various assets கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What are the assets given?
motor
Motor vehicle எவ்வளவு percentage?
20%.
20%. எவ்வளவு வரும்? 1 lakh into 20%, 20,000 motor vehicle கான depreciation. Then depreciation on motor vehicles, building 5%. Building value la 5%. எவ்வளவு வரும்? Building value 5 lakh into 5%, 25,000. 5 lakh into 5%, 25,000. Then furniture எவ்வளவு percentage கொடுத்திருக்கான் furnitureல? 10% இல்லையா? 50,000 into 10%, 5,000. Then equipment க்கு எவ்வளவு depreciation? 15%. 2 lakh into 15%, 30,000. What else we have to put? Provision for bad debts. What is required கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. Provision for bad debts to be maintained at எவ்வளவு percentage? 5% on debtors balance. 2,80,000 க்கு 5% போடுங்க. 14,000 required minus already there is an old balance. Credit side la irukku parunga. Provision for bad debts already how much is there? 10,000 irukuna we require 4,000. Provision for bad debts debtors க்கு 5% போட்டா 14,000 வரும். Already 10,000 maintain பண்றோம். Balance how much you have to maintain? 4,000. Not over. Discount received இருக்கான்னு பாருங்க. Yes. மறந்துடாதீங்க. By discount received. What is a discount receipt? Anything else? P&L account la left out பண்ணிருக்கோமான்னு பாருங்க. Any interest on capital given? Anything else that we left out in P&L account? Check. That's all. Yeah. Tally the account. Loss or profit? எனக்கு loss வருது. 8,500. Here, what is the additional adjustment possible? Suppose commission to manager கொடுத்திருக்கான்னு வச்சுங்களேன். Commission to manager, they have given, let us assume 10% of net profit என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. Commission to manager they have given, இது கொடுக்கல questionல, suppose exam questionல கொடுத்திருந்தான்னா என்ன பண்றது? Commission to manager, if they have given 10% of net profit என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? 8,700 into 10% போட்டிருப்போம். Suppose they would have given 10% of net profit after charging commission. 10% of net profit after charging commission என்ன போட்டிருப்பீங்க? 8,700 into 10 by 110. ஏன்னா this is before charging the commission. So after charging commission, it would be like 110. Yeah, before charging commission 110, not commission 10 and the மாதிரி. This we have done in the regular class, but please note it. So example, suppose if they would have given you goods lost by fire, record the loss in which account? Trading account. Then after adjusting the insurance claims is an asset. Net loss will be charged in which account? P&L account. Commission to manager, 10% of net profit, suppose கொடுத்திருந்தான்னா 8,700 into 10%. Suppose if they would have given after charging commission 8,700 into 10 by 110. Okay, these are not connected to this question. If it is asked in the exam, you be prepared. Start. You try to prepare the balance sheet. நீங்க balance sheet நீங்க prepare பண்ணுங்க. பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் பண்ணலாமா? Tell me the liability side items. What is the capital given? 13 lakh?
14 lakhs, 11,400.
14 lakh 11,400. அதோட என்ன add பண்ணணும்? Add net profit. What is the net profit? 8,700 அப்புறம் less the drawings given in the trial balance எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 20,000. And the insurance premium, personal insurance premium, how much? 42,000. So what is the net amount?
13 lakhs 58,100.
13 lakh.
58,100.
This is capital. What else? 58,100. Where in வரும்?
Salary credit.
Credit as how much?
62,000.
Then
Loan from Rajan.
loan from Rajan. How much loan?
60,000.
What is the interest on loan outstanding?
100.
4,000.
400.
500 we have to pay, but we paid 4,400 na? 100 is outstanding. Then
Outstanding rent.
okay, outstanding rent. Outstanding rent up go down and the workout பண்ணமே. 55,000 is for 11 months. Now what is for 1 month? 5,000. Anything else? Asset side. Asset side என்னென்ன வரும்?
Motor vehicle.
Motor vehicle minus depreciation. Motor vehicle 1 lakh minus depreciation 20,000. எவ்வளவு வரும்? Of course 80,000. Then what is the next asset?
Land and building.
Land and building எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs minus 25,000. Then
Office
which
equipment.
asset next?
Office equipment.
Equipments, how much value given?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs minus eவ்வளவு depreciation?
30,000.
1,70,000 will come. Then what is the next one?
Furniture and fitting.
Furniture. What is the furniture value? 50,000 minus 5,000. How much will come? 45,000 will come. Furniture value. Then debtors minus provision for bad debts. Minus new provision for bad debts on the 14,000. Debtors minus new provision for bad debts 2,66,000 வரும். வேற
Closing stock.
closing stock 31st March 2018 stock. What is the closing stock?
4 lakh 10,000.
4,10,000. Then
Cash at bank.
cash at bank closing balance. What is the closing balance?
22,000.
கொடுத்திருக்காங்க trial balance amount. வேற என்ன இருக்கு?
Cash in hand.
Cash in hand What is it? Cash in hand?
16,000.
16,000 cash in hand. Then the prepaid insurance. Work out பண்ணி eliminate பண்ணிருக்கோம். 6,000 into போட்டிருக்கோமே 3 by 15. We have done a working also. 1,000?
200.
1,200. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. This is first question earlier. Try to work out the second question. Try to work out the second question. It is given as extracted from the books of Mr. Sandeep. You are going to tell step by step answer. First, tell me the gross profit, then net profit, and you are going to tell the step by step answer. Or prepare full trading P&L account and balance sheet Mari. Prepare the full thing. Maybe I'll give you around 20 minutes of time to complete it. Commission received in advance கொடுத்திருக்கான். Interest accrued on investment. Interest on OD unpaid is given. Provision for bad debts to be kept. Depreciation is given. Salary and tax outstanding. Insurance prepaid கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Simple question compared to the last question. Tell me, what is the opening stock? 1,400. Purchases எவ்வளோ இருக்குங்க? Returns எவ்வளோ? 2,000. Sales,
9,000.
returns, closing stock adjustmentல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the closing stock given?
4,500.
Tally பண்ணா you get gross profit as a balancing figure. Then try to do P&L account. Commission எவ்வளவு வாங்கியிருக்கோம்? 500. Less advance received in advance. Interest on investments. Interest on investments எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 210. Charge various expenses, you will get net profit. Salaries எவ்வளவு பே பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 2,500. Add outstanding. Outstanding எவ்வளவு இருக்கு?
100.
100 add பண்ணா 2,600. Then what is the next one? Tax and insurance. Tax and insurance எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 500. அதுல outstanding tax இருக்கு. Outstanding tax, how much is there? 200. Tax prepaid கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Sorry, less prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance, how much is there? 15 நினைக்கிறேன். 650 will come. To provision for bad debts எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? Less old provision. இல்ல, provision for bad debts required பாருங்க. Provision for bad debts required is 1,000. To be kept at 1,000 கொடுத்திருக்கான். To be kept at 1,000. Minus old provision. 500 na 500 will come. Then what is the next one?
So that reserves for bad debts 1,000.
Reserve for bad debts to be kept at 1,000. Nothing but provision for bad debts 1,000. Old balance எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? Old balance 1,000. அப்போ 0 ஆயிடுச்சு. Bad debts are separate கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Bad debts separately given how much? 500 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Bad debts 500 is given. Then interest on OD. Interest on OD எவ்வளவு பே பண்ணும்? Expense தானே? 300. வேற என்ன வரும்? To depreciation. Depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture. How much is given? 10% of 1,600 will be 160. I hope expenses are more than the income. Loss in the neck. By net loss. What is the net loss? 2,500 net loss, we get it as a balancing. Prepare the balance sheet next. You are going to do the full balance sheet. It's a simple one. Try to prepare the balance sheet. Shall we go to balance sheet? One question would answer. What is the capital balance? 11,000.
Total
Opening balance
16,000.
minus net loss 2,500. அப்புறம் drawings எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? What is the net amount? Then bank OD எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க?
2,000.
Then creditors 2,000.
Yes.
Then வேற என்ன இருக்கு?
Bills payable
Bills payable how much?
2,500.
2,500. அப்புறம்
Interest on loan
outstanding 300. Then
outstanding salary
outstanding salary
100
from
and outstanding tax
tax.
200.
Then
Advance commission received
commission and advance how much?
100.
So asset side.
But
Asset side furniture less 10%. எவ்வளவு வரும்?
1,440.
Then
Debtor
minus new provision.
4,000.
Then
Cash in hand 1,500. Investments 4,000.
then
Bills receivable 3,000.
then
Closing stock
closing stock
1,500.
1,500.
4,000.
4,500. Then
Accrued income on investment
interest accrued
210.
receivable asset 210. Then
Prepaid insurance 50.
Over. Is it over? Next. When we prepare final accounts like trading P&L account and balance sheet and go, example manufacturing account ketru. They will ask you to prepare which account? Manufacturing account, of course, for a manufacturer. There Over. Everyone? Done? Shall we? Start. Don't take up the format. You know this already, or you should know this already. Manufacturing account. This is prepared by whom? Of course, manufacturers. It will have opening stock of work in progress. Opening stock of which one? Work in progress. Then you will put raw material consumed. What will come as raw material consumed? Opening stock of raw material, purchases of raw material, minus closing stock of raw material. It will give us raw material consumed. You will charge wages, you will charge all direct expenses, then you will charge all the factory related expenses. Anything that is related to factory manager's salary, mission depreciation, coal, water, power consumption in the factory, all factory overheads you will charge. Then you will record which one? Closing WIP. Closing work in progress. As a balancing for what will you get? Cost of goods manufactured. Suppose if there is a sale of scrap, what will you do? Sale of scrap, raw material scrap I sell பண்ண என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Sale of by product என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? This normally you will get it as which one? A balancing figure. Go to the next question. A model question has been tested. Question number 4 பாருங்க அப்புறமா question number 3 வரும். Question number 4 பாருங்க. Opening work in progress is given. Closing work in progress is given. Opening stock, closing stock, purchases is given. Higher charges is given. Higher charges in the factory is given. Direct wages is given. Repairs and maintenance. Units manufactured is given. Units manufactured is given. Prepare a manufacturing account கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Prepare manufacturing account. Tell me, what is opening WIP? 26,000. What is closing WIP given in the question? 48,000 given in the question. Raw material consumed. What is the opening stock of raw material? 2,60,000. Purchase of raw material? 8,20,000 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Minus closing stock. What is the closing stock of raw material given? 3,20,000 given. This will give us raw material consumed. 2 minutes. Then you can take it up. Wait for me. Then, what are the other things? wages and factory overheads you have to charge. Wages எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. Wages 0.8 per unit manufactured, 0.4 for closing WAP கொடுத்திருக்கான். How many units manufactured? How many units manufactured? 5 lakh unit into 0.8 closing WIP 5 lakh units into 0.8 plus for closing WIP என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான் 0.4. How much closing WIP? How many closing WIP? 14,000 into 0.4. So this will give us which one? Direct wages. Then factory overheads will include higher charge of machinery, higher charge of machinery, 5 lakhs into எவ்வளோ units 0.7 per unit manufactured, 5 lakh into 0.7. Then factory order rent, factory order rent கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the factory rent கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Factory rent how much is given? Or higher charges of factory how much is given? 2 lakh 60,000. These are all called as factory overheads. Then what else will come? Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance how much is given? 1,80,000. Any sale of scrap or sale of byproduct? No. So the tally panna you will get which one? The cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured. This will be transferred to trading account. So take up this. This is preparation of which account? Manufacturing account. This is question number 4. or other. Now try which question? Question number 3. Balance sheet is given on 1st January 2018. Current year net profit கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Current year they have given net profit. This balance sheet is given on January 2018 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It's a prelude to the single entry system, our next chapter that we are going to do. Balance sheet is given at the beginning of the year, end of the year கிடையாது. Then they have given net profit for the current year. Net profit for the current year கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then adjustments are given. They ask you to prepare the P&L account and balance sheet at the end of the year கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் தான் கொடுத்துருக்கானே, அப்புறம் எதுக்கு சார் P&L அக்கௌண்ட் கேட்டிருக்கான்னு பார்க்காதீங்க. While preparing P&L account, he had forgotten to provide which one? Outstanding expenses provide பண்ணல, prepaid insurance இருக்கு, இந்த ரெண்டையும் மறந்துட்டான்னு சொல்றாங்க. ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Try to tell me the correct net profit. Any answer for net profit? அவ்வளோலாம் திங்க் பண்ணவே தேவையில்லை, ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் கொஸ்டின் தான் அது. We are going to prepare the P&L account. What is the net profit given? What is the net profit given?
15 lakhs 10,000.
15 lakh
10,000.
10,000 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 15 lakh 10,000 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then நார்மலா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் ஓட என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? We will add outstanding expenses. Outstanding expense எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1,85,000. if forgot ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. less prepaid expenses போடுவோம். What is the prepaid expenses? Insurance 25,000 minus பண்ணுவோம். பண்ணா ஓவர் அவ்வளவுதான். to net profit. வேற என்ன இருக்கு? அதெல்லாம் ஆஃப்டர் ப்ரொவைடிங் தானே சொல்லியிருக்கான். மறுபடியும் நீங்க எதுக்கு ப்ரொவைட் பண்றீங்க? This was after allowing the following. 1, 2, 3. இதெல்லாம் allowed. After allowing. What do you mean by after allowing? Already they charged in அர்த்தம். Already they have done point number 1, 2, 3. Read. But while preparing the P&L account, he had forgotten only these two things. This 15,10,000 is after allowing all these point number 1, 2, 3. He forgot only two things. So tally panna, you get which one? Net profit. Start balance sheet. P&L account அவ்வளவுதான். Balance sheet போடும்போது what was the capital? 51 lakhs. Add net profit. What is the net profit to be added?
15 lakh 50,000.
Drawings ஏதாவது கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா? இல்ல. Interest on capital. Interest on capital எவ்வளவு பர்சன்டேஜ் சொல்லியிருக்கான்? P&L அக்கௌண்ட்ல சார்ஜ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இங்க போடும்போது ஆட் பண்ணு. Then ஏதாவது டிராயிங்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா? P&L அக்கௌண்ட்ல போடும்போது they have done interest on capital already. Drawings how much is given?
6,20,000.
Next. Trade payables is nothing but creditors. எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் இருக்கு? கீழ கொடுத்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க adjustmentல. Don't take this. This is opening balance. At the end of the year. At the end of the year balances. At the end of the year balances பாருங்க. Trade payables. How much is given? 13,84,000. 13,84,000. வேற என்ன இருக்கு? Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1,85,000. Net profit இதுக்கு மைனஸ் பண்ணு. இது நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் கிடையாது. இது வந்து நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் ஃபார் த இயர் தான், கரண்ட் இயர் தான் அது. ஆஃப்டர் கன்சிடரிங் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கோம்? ஆஃப்டர் அலோவிங் த ஃபாலோயிங் என்ன அர்த்தம்? அந்த நெட் ப்ராஃபிட்ல ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டோம், டெப்ரிசியேஷன் எல்லாம் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டோம், ப்ரொவிஷன் ஃபார் டவுட்ஃபுல் டெட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னு அர்த்தம். புரியுதுங்களா? திஸ் நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் how did we arrive? P&L அக்கௌண்ட்ல போடும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? We'll take gross profit, we'll charge all the expenses. இந்த எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் எல்லாம் சார்ஜ் பண்ணும்போது what are the expenses that are charged? ஆல்ரெடி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டோம், டெப்ரிசியேஷன் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டோம், ப்ரொவிஷன் ஃபார் பேட் டெட்ஸ் சார்ஜ் பண்ணி வந்தது தான் இந்த 15,10,000. எதை இக்னோர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? அவுட்ஸ்டாண்டிங் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ், ப்ரீபெய்ட் இன்சூரன்ஸ் மட்டும் இக்னோர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். only that particular thing got adjusted here. only that particular thing got adjusted here. அதான் அந்த P&L அக்கௌண்ட் போடும்போது net profit is given. This is after what? This is after which one? Interest, depreciation, bad debts, expenses எல்லாம் சார்ஜ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்தது தான் அந்த net profit. பட் இந்த ரெண்டே ரெண்டு ஐட்டம் தான் சார்ஜ் பண்ணாம விட்டேன்னு சொல்றோம், forgottenன்னு சொல்றோம். So no need to charge this interest on capital. This has been already charged. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்தது தான் அந்த 15,10,000. கிளியரா கொடுத்துருக்கானே. தென் அசெட் சைடுல என்னென்ன வரும்? பிளான்ட் அண்ட் மெஷினரி. ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு பாருங்க. பிளான்ட் அண்ட் மெஷினரி 31 lakh மைனஸ் டெப்ரிசியேஷன். டெப்ரிசியேஷன் P&L அக்கௌண்ட்ல போடணும். that is arrived after that only. then furniture எவ்வளவு இருக்கு பாருங்க. furniture old balance sheet எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? furniture 4 lakh minus எவ்வளவு percent depreciation? 5%, 3,80,000. then trade receivables nothing but debtors எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? இது எடுத்துக்காதீங்க, இது ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ். இயர் எண்ட் பேலன்ஸ் ட்ரேட் ரிசீவபிள் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 21 lakhs less provision at the rate of எவ்வளவு percentage? 5%. now 1,05,000 வரும். net
Plant and machinery 27 lakh.
then what is the next one?
Cash at bank.
cash at bank எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க?
5,20,000.
5,20,000. then inventories equal to net trade receivable னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். net trade receivable னா அந்த 19,95,000. அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும்? prepaid insurance what is the prepaid insurance given? 25,000. tallied over. அவ்வளவுதான். inventory it is given, it is equal to net trade receivable. so net profit is after charging interest, depreciation, bad debts and other expenses. but what they've ignored? the expenses மட்டும் ignore பண்ணிருக்காங்க. with this what is over? final accounts is over. so regular class work உங்களோட ICA மெட்டீரியலும் go through பண்ணுங்க, plus this take it as an additional revision. next என்ன chapter போறோம்? single entry. because once we learn to final accounts, single entry we are going to do which one? the final accounts only.